Okay, so now I want to make some of the block unwalkable actually. So what I'm gonna do is math random is bigger than 0.2, then it's walkable, but unwalkable. I'm going to visualize that, and so tile text, not the text, but okay, so a entity playing, yep. Color is, I'm going to, what is ish? Okay, so if its tile type is walkable, then this number, but if not, I would just do blue. Yes, it gives me a blue tile. And you can't write, and you can't go to that blue tile. Oh, you can't really stuff with the blue tile, right? Well, you can maybe. But yes, so you can't go to the blue tile. So if you want to go to this spot, you have to make a round trip. Nice. This is what I was looking for. This is what tactics, RPG is, right? Right, if you are surrounded by the blue tile, you can't really go anywhere. Like, it takes a lot of effort to get out. Wow, okay, I'm very happy now. Okay, now, so the problem of the code that I have is this find path function actually saves the path data in this document or this JavaScript file. So it's not gonna get updated. If I click the same thing, I mean the same guy would be clicked, and then it's not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do first is, after the movement is done, we have to update the position of the unit and the direction of it, because if I make him move to here, then I should re-clicking him should provide me a new set of available paths. So it's not doing it because the unit position haven't actually updated. So if I go to stage index and then go to move unit function, so it's going to do the animation, but the most important thing I have to do is, it's just unit update. I have to update the unit, so it's a unit ID and set position and direction. So to pass position is the final destination, and then the direction actually is something you specify at the end of the movement. So for now I'm just gonna do this, but units doesn't have the update function, so I will create it. Units, it's a store, right? Do I like it to be where it is? I don't actually know, but update. Let's make an update function. So it's an unit ID and data. It's a simple update function. So it's the same action with this update feature, except it's gonna update the parameter. So unit store update an array. Okay, so if unit items is unit items map, yeah. Dot map item, or I would just name it unit, and if unit ID equals to unit ID, then return unit data. I think that's what it is. Else return unit. Okay, so that's the update function. Unit ID is a number, data is a map of what, something, object, update. So he doesn't like this update thing, I don't care. And update, so add update, sure. So if I first click here, it's gonna give me, it gives me how many paths? 39. So I will bring him here. Come on, move. I like your movement, right? And then, so his unit position should be updated now. So if I click, it's gonna give me exact same number. So the unit number is not updated. It's because why? Unit on focus is a number. Oh no, yeah, maybe unit on focus. This unit on focus is null. So clicking unit that makes stage unit on focus. Okay, so okay, it's setting it, and now I think, right, it never updates itself. So that's good. I mean, that's good, but just make sure what you have is up to date. See? So when clicking, you get new data as a new unit. So let's see, let's come bring him over here. Nice move. And clicking would give him more options, and let's bring him here. Clicking. What about this? Clicking. What about that? Alright, so now the problem is it's not really erasing the previous path. That's what's happening. So the path should be updated actually, and where I have a feeling that I want to store the path data in unit. So find path function is being called repeated, like continuously. So path is, and export reset path. I'm going to make a new so I'm just gonna call this reset path function before I call the file path function at the stage, so that it resets. Reset path. Reset path. So let's bring him here, come here, reset. It can't come here. Okay. Let's do one more time. Let's bring him here. Now reset. He can go further. Reset. What about this? Reset. Reset. No, that's good. Okay. I should also. Okay, so that's good. I have to somehow like erase whatever the highlighted tiles. After clicking, we should hide the highlightness of it, right? So move unit when it's clicked should remove all the highlighted tiles. Does it append or does it change the color of the tile when it's highlighted? So it's set the color of it. Add text. Well, I don't need the text anymore, so I'm just gonna erase this text block. But changing the color is required. So I would suggest that material color red, but what was that? L query selector a plane, I think. If it's no, then let's do this. And re-register the component. So clicking red. Doing clicking red. So clicking him should actually yes, so clicking the tile should actually remove all the red signs. So when it's clicked, it triggers the move unit, but at the same time it should trigger all the highlight go away. So okay, so stage get tiles for each. He knows what I want to do. Click it. No, it does not do it. It doesn't do it. Get element by AD. Stage tiles for each tile ID. Query sector A plane. Set attribute color white. And click L. Everything white. Everything became white. So and clicking him again would make certain color red. Yes. Okay, so but that's not what I want.